R.I.P. to B.I.G. Classic shit. I'm looking for a nigga to get. Now I'm out here looking like revenge, feeling like a.
Hey loves, it's Brianna MUA and I'm back again with another tutorial. This time I'm doing the illusion ponytail, this cute and simple, easy look anybody can achieve. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. It only takes a few seconds, it is free. And hit that bell so you never miss a beat or any of my uploads. Go ahead and thumbs up the video and leave me a comment below. So yeah, I did the ponytail using the Organique Master Mix hair. Yeah, it's by Organique. Here it is on the floor. Let me get it back. Yeah, 30% more hair. It comes with 3 bundles in the pack, and I actually used the middle bundle and a little bit of the shorter bundle, and you can see how I showed you guys. It's very, very long. So yeah, this was only $24.99 at my local beauty supply store. I got the loose wave. I got body wave. And I did wash my hair prior to doing this, and you can see that it's a little wavy, but that is fine. It is cute. The hair is body wave, and I was like, I don't want to keep damaging my natural curl pattern just to do these hairstyles. And I was like, well, I'm just gonna wing it and do it anyways without flat ironing it, and it still came out cute. So I used the Eco Styling Gel to lay my hair, and it works best when my hair is wet. So I just washed and conditioned my hair in the shower. I had braids previously and I hadn't washed my hair, and so I just detangled it and then molded my hair, which is pretty self-explanatory. I have another ponytail tutorial that I use with some old Brazilian hair, similar with the swoop. So if you want to see how I part off and section my hair for that, I will link that tutorial down below, so be sure to check that out. This video is just mainly focusing on how to create the illusion part of the ponytail. So yeah, if you'd like to see that, just continue watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So jumping right on into this video, this pretty much is going to be showing how I do the illusion ponytail. I have already molded down my natural hair. I'm using body wave hair, the Organique Master Mix, and the body wave. So yeah, I'll tag below another video that I've done with like the swoop bang ponytail. That one was just a regular ponytail. So yeah, it's pretty much self-explanatory. I used the Eco Styler Gel and molded my hair down. So moving on to the braiding hair, I just cut it in half and kind of pull the ends to make the hair come to an even, or I'm not going to say even, tapered end when I add it to my hair. Now I'm just going in with some hairspray. Doesn't matter, any of your choice will be fine. Spritz would work. So I just tied that down while I'm preparing to do the braid. And I'm just taking a thin piece, and I'm just a thin piece of the braiding hair, that is. And I am just playing around with the thickness and seeing how hard it will be to add this hair in. It actually took me a little second. And so I'm just adding it in like so. Really doesn't matter how the braid looks because it's going to be covered up later on in the video. And this was really hard to do, y'all, because I was looking in the mirror and trying to see where my hands were going. So yeah. And the thing is, when adding the braiding hair, you don't want it to be too thick because that will make the ponytail look really big and full. And you really don't want that. That was my mistake. I have some pigtail illusion ponytails I did, and I made the mistake of using the entire pack of braiding hair, so they made them look really big. But it still was cute though. So I'm braiding that to the end. Excuse the roast grease around my mouth. So now I'm just removing the scarf. And I'm doing this because when I'm wrapping the hair around, I want to be able to see what I'm doing. I didn't want the scarf to be in the way. So here I am showing you the hair. It looks really, really neat and pretty. I will say that for the price, it will do. It's really good. For the price, I actually ended up using the middle bundle, the whole entire bundle, and a little bit of the shorter bundle. But I really could have just used the shorter bundle and stretched it out and started a little bit further up. So the trick to creating an illusion ponytail is you're going to glue or either some people sew the hair around the braid, some people glue it, and some people just pin it, wrap a little bit, pin it, wrap it a little bit, and so on and so forth. Here, I really don't care about glue getting on my hair because I know how to remove it without it breaking or damaging my hair. If you have any questions about that, just leave me some comments below and I can show you or go into detail about that. But I'm just starting at the end. You really don't have to start that low, being how thin the braid is towards the end. And you want to wrap in a spiral motion going up the braid. And you're going to keep doing that and wrapping it around. I don't like to add too much glue at once. And it's really harder than it looks doing it on yourself. But once I get it together, you'll see how much easier it is. And now I'm just speeding up the process. It's really nothing to it. I will say with this hair, it does get tangled, so I go through quite a bit, even on and off camera, and detangle it with a wide tooth comb. And so here we are towards the end of the piece I cut. And that was because it was really long trying to wrap it around that end piece. So I cut it. And I'm just going to go in and finish up using the rest of that bundle that was left. Just giving it some time so it won't come unravel. And you can see how the hair is right there. I'm going to have to detangle it with the comb. Very long. That thin, pretty, tapered effect. Now, moving on with the rest of it. And just going in with that same spiral effect. Now, when you get to the top, it does get a little bit more difficult, especially when you're, well, even when I've done it in a high ponytail, it's still difficult because you're getting closer to the rest of that hair. And yeah, what I was saying with the glue is you don't have to glue the entire thing. You can just put a little glue when you start, wrap it a little bit, put a little bit more glue, wrap it a little bit, so on and so forth. As long as it's tight, it'll stay secure. Okay, so I wrapped it all the way around to the top, and now I'm just combing the ponytail and detangling it. And then I'm going in with the shorter bundle, and I really just use just a tiny bit to seal off the top of that ponytail. If I started up the braid a little bit further, I probably wouldn't even have to use this next bundle. And I left my natural hair because I'm trying to stay away from heat. So I had washed my hair in the shower and maneuvered the ponytail, while it was wet with the gel and such. Because I'm like, I don't keep styles like this. I don't keep styles long anyway. Definitely not styles like this. So I didn't want to waste or put any damage to my hair just for a style that was only going to stay for a few days. And plus, I thought it was like a cute little accent to the ponytail since it was already, kind of wavy. So now, back to those old school days. Just take a piece from under the ponytail and wrap it around with gel. Smooth it as possible. Just keep wrapping around and then you'll secure it at the end with a bobby pin. And my swoop was a little harder to maintain because I had cut my natural hair, all the ends that still had relaxer to them. So yeah, now we're just finishing it off. I'm adding some more Eco Styling Gel and perfecting that swoop. And that is pretty much it, you guys. So go ahead and leave me a comment below. Thumbs up the video and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Yeah, follow me on Instagram as well, y'all, so you can check out my outfit of the day, makeup pictures of the day, things like that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys.